Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create unlimited and free AI videos. So, the AI app that I use for this is this Hailuo AI. So, this is a free image to video app. So, all you need to do is just log in and you get 100 credits every day. So, take note that each video costs 30 credits. So, you can make up to 3 videos, I think, daily. However, it is unlimited. It refreshes every day. But if you do want to create more, you can always just purchase more or subscribe to them. And as you can see here, these are the plans. However, to create a video, all you need to do is go here to create a video. And as you can see, I already have a picture and the prompt. So for you to get the prompt, actually, I just used ChatGPT. To create a prompt, I showed them the picture, and I'll just ask ChatGPT what is the best prompt for this. So it is a beautifully animated 3D biblical scene of Jesus and his disciples on a wooden boat, blah blah. And after that, all you need to do is just click on this 30 right here. Now take note, this may take a while. So it is optimizing and rendering. So just skip to the part where it's done rendering. And as you can see, it's already done rendering. Now for me, it took about 3 minutes for it to load. However, it does matter. It does depend on the day and how many users are using the app. So as you can see right here, this is the video that it created. And yeah, that is it. That is how you create an image to video for free, and it's unlimited. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.